Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best meal prep spinner is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, especially if you're serious about healthy eating and saving time during the week. Imagine effortlessly drying your washed greens, herbs, or even pasta in seconds, all while keeping your kitchen clean and your ingredients fresh for longer. This isn't just about convenience, it's about upgrading your entire meal preparation process, making it faster, more efficient, and dare I say, more enjoyable, transforming your approach to cooking and healthy living. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Meet the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This versatile tool is designed to make preparing avocados easier than ever before. It efficiently splits your avocado, removes the pit with a simple twist, and slices the fruit into perfect pieces. The stainless steel pitter is designed for quick and easy pit removal. Just a single twist is all it takes. The slicer effortlessly lifts the fruit from the skin, creating 7 uniform slices ready for your meal. Enjoy a comfortable and secure experience with its soft, non-slip grip. It's designed for ultimate control. Cleanup is a breeze as this tool is top-rack dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. What we like? This tool is a game changer for avocado lovers. It handles all 3 essential steps with ease. If you frequently prepare avocado toast or guacamole, this is the perfect gadget for you. What people say? The spinner is easy to use and dries lettuce quickly. It is sturdy and well-made, with a large capacity. The non-slip base keeps it stable on the counter. Number 4. CREST 10-pack glass meal prep containers. Introducing our 10-pack glass meal prep containers. They are perfect for storing your meals at home and taking them on the go, whether to work or the gym. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, these containers can withstand extreme temperatures. Use them safely in the oven up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave, without the lid, freezer, and dishwasher. Our containers feature lead-free glass and eco-friendly plastic lids that create an airtight seal. This ensures no spills or leaks, keeping your food fresh and secure. Designed for convenience, these glass containers are stackable, allowing for easy storage and saving valuable space in your kitchen. While the containers are dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing the lids to preserve the silicone sealing strip. This ensures their longevity and performance. We stand by our product. If you receive any damaged or defective items, or encounter issues during use, please contact us immediately for assistance. What we like? Get a bulk supply of durable glass containers for your meal prep needs. These are ideal for anyone who packs lunches for work or the gym. If you value convenience and a complete set, this is a great choice. What people say? It is a great product for drying lettuce and other greens. The spinner is easy to use and clean. It comes with a colander and a bowl, which are very convenient. Number 3. Bentgo Prep 3-compartment meal prep containers, navy blue. Introducing the number 1 brand pick for meal prep containers. This set is designed for your busy lifestyle, making it easy to pack meals for any occasion. Achieve your health goals with ease. Each container offers a 4-cup capacity with embossed measurements, simplifying portion control for balanced meals. Say goodbye to disposable plastics. These containers are made from durable, high-quality materials, built for repeated use at work, school, or the gym. Enjoy ultimate convenience. They are microwave safe for reheating, freezer safe for storage, and top shelf dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This 20-piece set includes 10 3-compartment trays and 10 custom-fit lids. You also get our dedicated customer support. Keep your kitchen tidy and your meals fresh. The stackable design and clear lids help organize your fridge or pantry efficiently. What we like? Take control of your meal portions with these convenient containers. The 3 compartments are perfect for balanced meals. If you're focused on healthy eating and portion management, these are designed for you. What people say? This is a great product for meal prepping. It is easy to use and clean, and it comes with multiple compartments for different foods. I love this meal prep container. It is perfect for taking my lunch to work, and it keeps my food fresh all day long. The design of this meal prep container is very practical. It has a leak-proof lid, so I don't have to worry about spills. Number 2. MCIRCO 5-pack 36 ounces divided glass meal prep containers. Experience superior durability with our containers, crafted from premium borosilicate glass. They are designed to be stronger and more resilient than standard glass food storage options. Take charge of your meals with our convenient portion control feature. The divided design makes organizing your food and sticking to your diet plan incredibly simple. Our innovative snap lock lids feature silicone seals, ensuring your food stays fresher for longer. Enjoy leak-proof confidence and lids that are built to last. These containers are designed for your convenience. They are safe to use in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. Keep your kitchen tidy and organized with our stackable containers. They help maximize space in your refrigerator, cabinets, and on your countertops. What we like? Enjoy superior durability and freshness with these divided glass containers. The smart locking lids ensure no leaks and keep food fresh longer. If you need reliable, leak-proof containers for diverse meals, consider these. What people say. This is a great product for meal prepping. It is easy to use and clean. It also comes with a variety of containers that are perfect for storing different types of food. I love this meal prep spinner. It makes it so much easier to chop vegetables and other ingredients. The spinner is also very sturdy and well made. This meal prep spinner is a game changer for anyone who wants to eat healthier. It is a great way to save time and money. I would highly recommend this product to anyone. Number 1. Stasher Premium Reusable Silicone Food Storage Bags, 4-pack, Aqua. Introducing the Stasher Premium Reusable Silicone Food Storage Bags. This 4-pack in Aqua is designed for your everyday needs. You'll receive 4 versatile bags, 1 half-gallon, 2 sandwich-sized, and 1 snack-sized bag, all in a beautiful aqua color. Crafted from platinum food-grade silicone, they feature a secure pinch lock seal. They are free from harmful chemicals and replace hundreds of single-use plastic bags annually. These reusable containers are perfect for ditching plastic. They are safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, and oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is a breeze. Just toss them in the dishwasher or wash with warm, soapy water. Please avoid turning them inside out to ensure their longevity. Designed for endless reuse, these bags come with a lifetime warranty. We stand by their durability for everyday use. What we like? Ditch single-use plastics with these versatile silicone bags. They are perfect for snacks, lunches, and storing leftovers. If you prioritize eco-friendly solutions and long-term value, these reusable bags are an excellent investment. What people say. The spinner is very easy to use and dries lettuce quickly. It's a great size for a family and the lid locks securely. The non-slip base keeps it stable on the counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.